Welcome to our channel. If you want to report identity theft to IRS, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure everything is properly configured and working smoothly. Step 1. Open your web browser or mobile app and navigate to the main platform or service page. Log in with your account credentials if required. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or menu button, usually located in the top right corner of the page, and select Settings or Account Management from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the appropriate section within Settings, such as Preferences, Security, or Account Options, where you can view and modify relevant configurations. Step 4. Look for the specific option or feature you want to adjust. Click on it to access the detailed settings page. Step 5. Make the necessary changes by toggling switches, selecting options from drop-down menus, or entering required information in the provided fields. Step 6. Review all changes carefully to ensure they match your preferences. Click Save, Apply, or Confirm to implement the changes. Step 7. Check your email or notification center for a confirmation message verifying that your changes have been successfully applied. Keep this for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.